Hello, my KP fam. Today I want to introduce our first KP pen, Crosier. Maybe someone want to ask me why this pen is named Crosier. Of course, the inspiration of the design is from the Crosier shape. You can see from this whole body, it's like a Crosier shape. Here I want to introduce how to assemble and disassemble this pen. This is a titanium version. From the outside, we can find that there are 6 components. Here is a decoration part. You can give your name or some pattern which you like on this surface. This is a cap. Here is a hollow pipe. This is a joint, main body, tip. When you spin this cap, the pen will close and open. But please remember, you only spin this direction. If you spin this, the cap will take it down. So firstly, we will take down this cap, and secondly, we will take down this hollow pipe. At the same time, there is a up shaft. Also take it down. Secondly, we will take down the tip, the spring, refill, and this is a joint. It connected the hollow pipe and the main body. After take down this, there is a sleeve. It connected the bottom shaft. So here is clear. There are 9 components. These 3 parts we use brass. Here, why we need to use this brass in these materials? Of course, the brass have a special function. When you spin like this, it's very easy to keep smooth. Next, we will assemble. Here, there is a special hole on the joint. I put into the bottom shaft and close this sleeve, and then here is the up shaft. The last is spin this cap. Okay, this is a finished assembly. However, you can enjoy it.